Stop asking your AI agents to just write code. If your agent only looks at your source files, it's building on a shallow foundation. SkyPilot just proved that the secret to 10x engineering isn't more code, it's more research. They gave an agent a research phase, forcing it to read archive papers and study competing forks before touching a single line of C++. The result? A 15% speed boost for llama.cpp inference, for a total cost of just $29. At first, the agent failed. Working from code alone, it tried micro-optimizing loops and unrolling accumulators. It was vibe coding at a low level. But the data showed these tricks were useless because the bottleneck wasn't the math, it was the memory bandwidth. The code doesn't tell you that, the hardware specs do. Once the agent was allowed to read the manual, it pivoted. It stopped trying to make the CPU faster and started trying to make the memory passes disappear. The agent studied other backends like CUDA and Metal. It noticed a gap. The GPU versions were already fusing operations like RMS norm and multiply, but the CPU version was still doing them separately. It autonomously wrote 5 kernel fusions, using explicit AVX2 and Neon intrinsics. It didn't just suggest an idea, it used SkyPilot to fan out 30 experiments across cloud VMs, benchmarking each one in parallel. It acted like a senior systems engineer with an infinite testing budget. This is the new baseline for coding agents. For $20 in compute and $9 in API calls, the agent found optimizations that had survived years of human review. If you want to optimize complex systems, your agent needs to read the literature before it writes the patch. The era of the chatbot coder is over. The era of the research agent has begun. I'll see you in the next tech update.